Transport of gases in blood. Oxygen transport. 98.5% of oxygen is transported by blood with the help of the respiratory pigment hemoglobin present in erythrocytes, RBCs. One molecule of hemoglobin can carry as much as 4 oxygen molecules. 1 gram of hemoglobin binds about 1.34 ml of oxygen. Thus, 100 ml of pure blood carries about 20 ml of oxygen. Carbon dioxide transport. Transport of carbon dioxide by blood is much easier than that of oxygen due to high solubility of CO2 in water. About 7% of CO2 is transported as dissolved in plasma, 23% as carbaminohemoglobin, and 70% as bicarbonates. Most of the CO2 is transported by blood in the form of sodium bicarbonate in plasma.